Okay, good morning. So we'll starting the class. Today again I will teach you the networking concept, and in that I will start with the network security concepts. So we have already started the concept and I have given some definitions. Today I will more go to the more related terms, and the first term which I am going to teach you here is cookies. So write the definition of cookies. Cookies are cookies are messages that a web server transmit to a web browser. Cookies are messages that a web server transmits to a web browser so that the web server can keep track of the user's activity on a specific website. Okay. As you know that this much definition is enough for your examination, but if you want to know something more, the cookies have 6 parameters such as the name of the cookie, the value of the cookie, the expiration date of the cookie, the path of the cookie is valid for the set of the etc. The domain, the cookie is valid for the need for a secure connection and so on. Okay, so cookies are message that a web server transmit to a web browser. You all are aware, you get cookies when you are connected to some website or when you open some web page, you get a particular cookie of that. You can see that in the history and browsing, you can see. Next is your hackers and crackers. So write this definition also, hackers and crackers. The crackers are the malicious programmers जो नुकसान पहुंचाते हैं. MALICIOUS, malicious programmers who break into the secure code, who break into secure system, whereas hackers are more interested in gaining knowledge about computer system, and they also enter some secure code for gaining knowledge. Next definition comes here, cyber law. Cyber law is a generic term which refers to all the legal and regulatory aspects of internet and www. In that only we have, in our country also, we have IT Act, and that's known as India IT Act and its Amendment Act 2008. So you write that definition, and I will give you what is the Indian IT Act enforced for information technology. This is also known as cyber law. Information technology enforced through Information IT Act. I repeat, in India the cyber laws are enforced through, I repeat, in India the cyber laws are enforced through Information Technology Act 2000, which provide legal recognition to electronic commerce and also protect and also give protection to electronic data stored on net. It was later amended in 2008, IT Act 2008 India, which provides some more provision of safety, security, and added offenses including cyber terrorism and data protection. That's it. Next you write cyber crime. Cyber crimes. Cyber crimes are different from the conventional crimes as it protects electronic data or electronic medium of component in electronic mediums. It deals with number one, tampering with computer source documents, hacking, tampering with computer source documents, hacking, publishing of information. First is tampering with computer source documents, second is hacking, third is publishing of information which is obscene in electronic form, child pornography, accessing protected system, accessing protected system, breach of confidentiality and privacy. Confidentiality and privacy. So we are just discussing all this. Now we will come to the viruses. As you see the syllabus, I am displaying here, I am sharing a screen for you. And just you see the syllabus here. Introduction to this we have already done. Only this part is left. Threats and prevention from viruses, we are discussing of that. So first you write here, what is computer virus? V-I-R-U-S-E-S, viruses. Computer viruses is a malicious program. Computer viruses is a malicious program that requires a host and is designed to make a system sick. There are basically three types of viruses. These are number one, file infectors. Number two, boot sector viruses. Number three, macro viruses. Most viruses I repeat, there are three types of virus: file infectors. Agar aap chaho, one line you can write. Attach themselves to a program file. First point. File infectors attach themselves to a program file. Boot sector viruses install themselves on the beginning tracks of a hard drive. Install themselves on the beginning track of a hard drive. Third, macroviruses infect data files. Infect data files. Now you know viruses are spread because of mail, because of using the infected pen drives, files, etc. So some characteristics of a computer virus you write now. Characteristics of computer virus. Number one, it is able to replicate. Number one, it is able to replicate. Number two, it requires a host program as a carrier. It requires a host program as a carrier. It is activated. It is activated by an external action. It is replication ability. Its replication ability is limited to the virtual system. And now you know that how virus through email, through attaching file, through storing file, through using unprotected device, not using the firewalls, through net, all these are the resources by which the viruses spread. Now you write damages that viruses causes. Number one, can destroy FAT, file allocation table. Can destroy file allocation table. Okay. Next point. Can create bad sectors on the disk. Can create bad sectors on the disk. Third, can utilize the space by replicating files. Can utilize the disk space by replicating files. Can format tracks on the disk. Can cause system to hang. Can destroy some executable files. So बहुत सारे पॉइंट दिखा दिए. Next point is your Trojan horse. You write first. A Trojan horse is a code hidden in a program such as a game or a spreadsheet, and that looks safe to run but has hidden side effects. Some examples of Trojan horse can be Christmas executable when executed, Christmas executable when executed, a Santa Claus saying Merry Christmas, which in background deletes file, which in background delete files or performs some malicious actions. How it spreads? जैसे दूसरे वायरसेस हैं, थ्रू ईमेल, थ्रू अनप्रोटेक्टेड फाइल्स, थ्रू इन्फेक्टेड CDs, DVDs, pen drives, etc. Okay. Next definition you write worms. Worms. A worm is a program designed to replicate. A worm is a program designed to replicate its characteristics are: number one, it is able to replicate. It is able to replicate. It is self-contained and does not require a host. ये important point है. It is self-contained and does not require a host. It is activated by creating process. It is activated by creating process, such as multitasking. It is a network. If it is a network worm, it can communicate. It can communicate. Yeah, it can replicate. पहले लिख लो. It can replicate across communication links. It can replicate across communication links. Forms basically spread through net. Okay, and also those systems who are having the multitasking, so वहाँ पर bombs के spread होने के बहुत ज़्यादा खतरा होता है, chances होते हैं. Spam, SPAM. Spam refers to electronic junk mail or junk news group postings. Junk news group postings. People send emails having spams. Avoiding spam. Avoid junk mails or spam mails. Use a powerful firewall or antivirus. The prevention method is that use powerful scan disk and etc. Mail even has to be scanned properly. The firewall is strong, then there will be no problem at all. License software use कर लीजिए, ठीक है. पासवर्ड प्रोटेक्शन रखिए. बचने के लिए आप रेगुलर बैकअप्स कर सकते हैं. ओके, सॉफ्टवेयर को अपडेट करते रहिए, एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर को. दीज आर द थिंग्स. ओके, अब हो गया आपका वायरसेस, वॉर्म, ट्रोजन, स्पैम सब हो गया. यूज ऑफ कुकीज हो गया. प्रोटेक्शन यूजिंग फायरवॉल हो गया. HTTP हो गया. इंडियन एक्ट, साइबर लॉ, साइबर क्राइम, IPR issues. This also I will cover just now. IPR issues. You write it. Intellectual properties, IP. IPR issues. The term intellectual property may be defined as product of the intellect that has commercial value, the intellectual property, IPR issues I'm teaching you, the intellectual properties may be defined as a product of the intellect that has commercial value, including copyrighted property such as literary or artistic work, intellectual properties are legal rights, remember that. It can be anything, any literary work such as scientific literary work or any poetry, poem, etc. Anything can be, which is in the electronic form, okay? It is the product, that is the subject matter is the product of the mind or the intellect. That is intellect property, okay? This could be in the form of patents, trademarks, copyright मैंने लिखवा दिया है and so on. IP, intellectual properties are protected through law. Okay, that's it. इतना काफी है आपके लिखने के लिए. So I'll just check anything left here. Indian IT Act, cyber law, cyber crime, IPR issues, hacking, introduction to web services, www. URL website. I think everything I have completed here in the networking part. So hopefully there will be no problem for you. For your examination point, you start revision of the basics of Python covered in class 11. Then function, scope, parameter, etc. ये सारे आपको करने हैं, and also you have to go through the files, text files and the binary file. CSV, if I'll teach you, I'll check your portion also from the net. Just wait. Sandpulse.photo.co.uk. See here. Just wait. So portion I have given you here. I will check that. Class 12. Now see in this part, computational thinking and programming too. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is 11th class. 12th. This is I have opened 12th class. Okay. This I have used here, computer thinking and programming to revision of class 11 function and so on. Okay. So ये जो computer thinking and programming revision to computer network. So आपको इसमें कुछ खास नहीं है, कुछ definitions वगैरह हैं जो मैं आपको 2-3 अभी लिखवा देता हूँ. Okay. Computational thinking and programming too. So I will just see that ताकि मैं आपका कवर कर लूँ पार्ट. 11th क्लास में भी कंप्यूटर थिंकिंग एंड प्रोग्रामिंग कराई थी, मगर यहाँ का पार्ट अलग करना चाहते हैं. Now this part includes, we'll come to the syllabus part. Wait. We'll go as per computational thinking and programming too, okay? This one is basically covering what? See here, as I have given, thinking and programming too. So actually it is programming part only. ठीक है, that revision. we have already covered, no theoretical here, just now I have not mentioned. So even in your syllabus, you see that computer thinking and programming too, and here also as per CBSE syllabus, thinking programming too. May revision of the basics of covered in 11th class we have already done. Function, scope, parameter, passing, ठीक है, mutable, immutable data types. Mutable और जैसे आप वेरिएबल वगैरह नॉर्मल करते हैं या टपल कर लें, that is immutable, whereas the mutable are list, okay, or dictionary. We have not done this, and I have not, I think, given in the portion also. Just check, even in the portion also I have given only text file and by and computer networks, all definition and concept as per revised syllabus. So that I have already covered for you. Still you have any problem in the next class, you attend my class and ask if you have any sort of problem. We'll meet in the next class. Take care of yourself. Okay. Keep learning the definitions. The question will be some MCQ, true, false, match the following, etc. जैसा पिछली बार था, and some definitions also, and some programming output errors, etc. So take care. We'll meet in the next class tomorrow, and I will explain you about the patterns also, the question, and I will discuss something more on your syllabus and the programming part. ठीक है? Networking, I don't think any problem. Some questions we will take, and I will explain to you. Take care of yourself. Bye.